If you have a cue and the child knows that if I start trashing the classroom and I immediately am told, stop, and I don't, I have to now go to another space where I get to color, but I can't join the other classroom for a certain amount of time, and I don't get a lot of adult interaction, and that happens every time, then I'm going to remember that. If it doesn't happen every time, I'm going to keep seeing what happens when I start to unravel. If I get too much attention immediately when I start throwing things, like someone starts talking to me, are you okay, and tries to help me, that may backfire too. That kid needs that, but timing is everything. So be careful how much time and individual time you give to kids following an escalated episode.